Are you already live?
Going on to mommy.
Huh? Going on to mom. Huh?
Hey everybody, this is the Bradley family here going on to mommy.
Hey everybody, we just wanted to come to you guys to say thank you so much for your love and your support with the orders and everything with our Pampered Chef virtual party with Sarah McGuire. Everything was great. The orders we had so much fun with it. 2 weeks or well, about 10 days, I guess, of just so much fun seeing what you guys ordered. I can't wait till you guys all get your stuff. We again had we had just an overwhelming support with the party. So we just wanted to come to you guys to say thank you so much for everything and all of your orders and watching our lives. And again, it was absolutely great. We do want to also announce and say that we have thought long and hard about beginning our journey with Pampered Chef. So as a family, during this time, we have really come together, learned a lot about, kind of coming together at the dinner table again and just being together as a family. So we have great news. We are going to come, all of us, all four of us, John, myself, Charlie, and Danny, gonna come together.
That's my little sister.
Gonna come together and do Pampered Chef or sell Pampered Chef, be Pampered Chef consultants, and bring all of the great stuff to you guys into your kitchen. So we truly believe in the product. We have had so many of their items since we were married 9 years ago. So we still have things that we received when we got married. So it's great gifts. It's great for your kitchen. Just all around fabulous stuff. Lasts forever. So we are super excited about becoming consultants and starting this business and journey as a family. So again, we cannot wait to see you guys, and we're gonna do a lot of virtual parties because, like I said, we want to bring the love and products to you guys. So wanted to start off too by saying, since we are going to be doing being consultants for Pampered Chef, that if you would like to book a party, we would love to have you as one of our first to book parties. So you can just come right on, just comment below that you want to book a party, or you can just private message me. I will or send you all of the details. And it's, like I said, super easy. All you have to do is invite your friends, invite your family. They shop from their own home online, just like you guys did, and it is so much fun. Also, I will post my link below that you can go on and shop directly, and the stuff will automatically ship to you. So you can do that as well. And again, if you wanted to book a party, I will set up everything for you. Your link, your host link, and your Facebook group that you can start inviting people. And we will post recipes. We will post tips and tricks. We'll post must-haves, our favorite things in the kitchen. So again, it would be so much fun. It's not hard. You earn free stuff. And as of right now, the air fryer, you can only get whenever you're a host. So again, we want to bring all of the great stuff to you guys, and we love each and every one of you. If you have any questions at all, please reach out. If I don't know the answer, I definitely will find the answer for you. But again, we appreciate all of your love and support, and come back to the Bradley Kitchen and be our guest.
Yeah.